Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a local user account in Windows 10 or 11. First, you need to open up your setting, search other users, click other users. Next is click below the other users, add someone else to this PC. So here you're going to see at how will this person sign in. So if you have their email or phone number, you can just type in it. But if you don't have this person's sign information, just click the I don't have this person's sign information. So click it. So next is you need to create an account. If you don't want to create an account, just choose add a user without a Microsoft account. So here you just need to fill out this. Just going to use this PC, make it secure, enter password, etc. So after filling out all these, now you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.